A Brazilian barbecue taught me how to make the best bread with sausage. Here I'm using two French types buns, and I'm going to break them in half. Once that's done, on each slice add mozzarella. The quantity goes according to what you prefer. Over the mozzarella, add Tuscan sausage. Here I'm using a bud for each bread. With your fingers, spread it well. Add bacon. The quantity is to your liking. Done that, is just add the buns in your air fryer at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. After this time, open the drawer and add a little more mozzarella. Finish with a little oregano and leave now at 200 degrees for 3 minutes or until the cheese melts. And look how amazing this bread is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This recipe will be successful on your barbecue. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.